Olivia. This is her first snow. What is all that stuff? It's snowing. Oh my goodness. Hurry, go potty because it's cold. Olivia. She's like right up against the house being. Olivia. Good girl. Oh. Okay, let's go potty, Elliot. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's snowing in my face. Olivia. Olivia. Oh my gosh, what is all this stuff? Can you go potty? Good girl, go potty. Go potty. Go potty. Go potty. Come here. Elliot potty. You need to potty. Come on. Let's go potty. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go potty. Come on. Let's go potty. Hurry. Let's go potty. Olivia, come here. Come here. Come here. Hurry. Hurry. Come on. Come on. Come here. Oh, it's so cold, Mom. It's so cold.